Hi guys, we continue with our mathematics classes. Okay, today we will see the new topic triangles. Okay, maybe all of you know what is a triangle, but the name is from three angles. Okay, so it's a polygon limited by three sides. Okay, this is an example of the figures. Now, nomenclature. It's very important to know how you name all the angles and the size of the triangle. Yeah, it's very important. For example, here, all the angles of the triangle you will name by uppercase letter. For example, here A. Yeah, the opposite side is named by the same letter but the lowercase. Yeah, it's very important. This is the angle B, and the opposite side is the side B. Okay, and the last angle, the angle C, the opposite side is the side C. It's very important to remember that, because if you don't use that nomenclature, you will have problems to calculate the sides and the angles in the future. Yeah, it's very important to know that. Okay, we will see the classification of the triangles according to the measure or their sides. This is from the, I don't know, the elementary school. Yeah, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and escalate triangle. Yeah, equilateral triangle, you remember all the length of all sides are the same. Yeah, and this is important here to understand that all the angles inside of the triangle, the measure of the adding of all the angles inside are 180. Yeah, so if you are talking about the equilateral triangle and the sides are the same length, so the measure of every angle are 60. Yeah. Okay, we continue. The isosceles triangle, remember, the two sides have the equal length, and if you have two sides with the equal length, you have two angles with the same measure. Yeah. Okay. Escalate triangle, all the sides are different. Yeah, so all the angles are different. Okay, now the classification of the triangles according to the measure of their angles. This is important, very important. Why? Because if you know how to difference between right angle and oblique triangle, remember that all that you know about the triangles, maybe it's about the right triangle. Yeah, the Pythagoras theorem, the trigonometric functions, or you only can apply in the right triangles. Now we will see the oblique triangles. This is very different. Yeah, very different. Why? Because you can't apply here Pythagoras theorem and the trigonometric functions. You need to use the cosine rule and sine rule. Yeah, you need to remember that. Okay. Okay. The right triangles is about the triangles that have a right angle inside. Yeah. In that kind of triangles, you can use the Pythagoras theorem and the trigonometric functions. Yeah. Okay, the oblique triangle are the triangles that doesn't have an right angle inside. Yeah, it can be over or down 90. Okay, exist two kinds of oblique triangles: the obtuse angles and the acute angle. Yeah, the obtuse triangle is a triangle that have one angle greater than 90. Okay, so is the name obtuse angle, obtuse triangle. Yeah, Acute triangle is the triangle that have the three angles are less than 90. Okay, it is all about the theory. Okay, the homework of today is the exercise 11 and the exercise 12. Okay, yeah, how you answer that? Here, the exercise 11 says name of the magnitude of its sides to each of the triangles. Okay, for example, the first one is equilateral because three sides with equal length. Okay, equilateral because have three sides with the equal length. Okay, and there are others. Number 12, name for the magnitude of his angles to each of the triangles. Okay, in this case is a right triangle, yeah, because have one right angle equal to 90 degrees. Okay, and it is all. You will answer the others. See you guys.